So what are the common traits of what successful real estate investors do? If you look at people that are successful, they follow a recipe. Actually, if you look at people that fail, they follow a recipe also. Now, when you look at people that are successful, it's kind of like baking a cake. You have all the ingredients and you put those ingredients in at certain times. For example, you don't put the icing on the cake and then put it in the oven, right? Because it's not going to work. Same thing with successful people in real estate. They do certain things at certain times to ensure their success. Now, after doing this for over 20 years, I've learned that there's 3 things that they do in common to be successful. The first thing that they do is they always have an end goal. They always know the end destination of where they're going. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you will see that I always talk about having an end goal. The reason I talk about that is because when I first started, I didn't have an end goal. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just buying real estate because I thought that's what you should do. Buying 4 walls and a roof doesn't get you anywhere except busy. And sometimes, like for me, it'll make you busy going in the wrong direction. You always have to have an end goal and you've got to know where you're going. That is so vital to being successful. If you don't do that, you are going to fail or you're just gonna burn out. Because what happens when you first get involved in real estate is you're very motivated, you're very excited. Motivation and excitement is like a battery. It will drain over time. The thing that keeps you going, that keeps you driven, that keeps you focused is the end goal. You've got to have the end goal to know where you're going. Now, the next thing I've learned, people that are successful, is they take their emotions out of business transactions. Look, you are in a business that you are going to be lied to. You are going to be cheated on. You are going to be ripped off. Tenants are going to do all the bad things to your property. It is just going to happen. You can never change the things that happen to you. The thing that you can change is how you react to them and how you deal with them. The worst thing that you can do is to let an emotional decision get involved in a business transaction. How do I know that? Because I did that. And many people take things personally. You've got to remember that you are in business and there is no place ever for emotions to be involved in a business setting. The numbers, the data, and the facts are what you need to do. You have to remove yourself. Sometimes when we own a property, we get so involved, maybe we get emotionally attached to our tenants, we want them to do good, and then if they don't do right and they don't do what they say, you take it personal. Look, this is a business setting, and there is no room for emotions. The last thing is they understand leverage. Look, the great thing about real estate is your ability to leverage people, leverage money, leverage system, leverage knowledge of so many people. The bad thing about real estate is understanding how much to leverage, who to leverage, and at what cost does it come. There is a balance. And again, if you look and find successful people, you can see what that balance is for them because it's different for everybody. But if you follow these 3 rules, you have an end goal, you take your emotions out, and you understand the power of leverage and use it to your advantage, you will be successful. And I guarantee you, you will achieve your goals of what you want to have, the lifestyle and the freedom. Because remember, owning real estate, it's not about a certain number in your bank account. It's not about having 4 walls and a roof. It's a matter of understanding what the 4 walls and the roof and what that number in the bank account gives you. It's the lifestyle and the freedom of why we do what we do. That's why I own real estate. That's why you're probably owning real estate, because you want something better for you. You want something better for your life, something better for your family. And that's what you should be focused on, not understanding that it's just a number or a decimal point. So I'm Steve Rozenberg. I hope this helps. I hope this was helpful for you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.